What if I told you that the single most powerful, biologically transformative tool for your physical health, your razor-sharp focus, and your daily fat-burning capacity is completely free? It costs absolutely nothing. And yet, there is a multi-billion-dollar global industry working 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to ensure that you are utterly terrified of it. Over the next few minutes, I am going to reveal exactly why 10 minutes of a specific biological action, an action that you are currently doing completely wrong every single day, is the ultimate dirty secret that the pharmaceutical and supplement industries are praying you never discover. Let me be very clear, I am not talking about sunscreen, and I am not talking about skin cancer. That is the exact mainstream narrative they use to keep you blind, compliant, and locked inside your modern cages. I am talking about an ancient, hardwired hormonal cascade that begins at the back of your eyes and ends with the cellular regeneration of every single biological system in your body. If you constantly wake up feeling utterly exhausted no matter how many hours you sleep, if your daily anxiety feels entirely out of your control, or if you simply cannot maintain deep, meaningful focus for more than 15 minutes without reaching for a stimulant, you need to hear this reality check. Your fundamental problem is not a lack of expensive vitamin capsules. Your problem is a catastrophic lack of photons. But I must warn you right now, if you execute this biological protocol at the wrong time of day, or if there is a single pane of glass sitting between you and your target, the beneficial effect is absolutely zero. Even worse, doing this incorrectly could be actively destroying your circadian rhythm and accelerating your biological aging. Stick with me until the very end of this video, because I am going to walk you through the precise photon visualization protocol that elite biohackers and Tier 1 operators use to permanently hack their sleep architecture and their dopamine pathways before they even eat breakfast. And finally, I will hand you the biological kill switch that instantly shuts down systemic stress in a matter of seconds. Let us start by exposing the great deception, the modern war on light. For decades, we have been aggressively conditioned to believe that the sun is our ultimate enemy. The messaging is relentless. Wear dark sunglasses the second you step outside, smear chemical factor 50 sunblock on your skin every day, and stay safely hidden inside climate-controlled, artificially lit environments. What is the actual, verifiable result of this modern lifestyle? We are currently living through a silent, global pandemic of severe clinical depression, chronic insomnia, and catastrophic metabolic dysfunction. The pharmaceutical industry profits immensely from your chronic light deficit. Think about it. Prescription sleeping pills, heavy antidepressants, synthetic focus stimulants, and artificial energy drinks. Every single one of these multi-billion-dollar products is simply attempting to chemically mimic the exact physiological state that 10 minutes of natural morning sunlight does for absolutely free. You know that crushing sensation of mental fog that hits you like a brick wall at 2 o'clock in the afternoon? You know that sudden, uncontrollable, desperate craving for processed sugar and carbohydrates? That is not a lack of willpower. That is your brain chemically screaming in agony, begging for a fundamental biological signal that you ruthlessly denied at the moment you woke up this morning. To understand how to fix this, you have to understand the hidden receptor that nobody ever told you about. Deep inside your retina, there is a very specific class of cells that have absolutely nothing to do with visual sight. They do not help you see shapes, movement, or colors. They are known in chronobiology as intrinsically photosensitive retinal ganglion cells. Their one singular, exclusive job in your body is to detect the precise intensity and wavelength of the blue and yellow light emitted by the rising sun. When these specific solar photons physically strike your unprotected eyes without dark sunglasses, without contact lenses with UV filters, and without the barrier of modern windows, they trigger a massive electrical signal. This signal travels at lightning speed down an entirely separate optic pathway, bypassing the visual cortex and plunging straight into a tiny cluster of neurons deep in your hypothalamus called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. This is the master clock of your entire biological existence. In the exact millisecond that this light signal hits your master clock, a profound biological countdown is initiated. First, your body releases a healthy, necessary pulse of cortisol. This is not the toxic, chronic stress cortisol that destroys your immune system. This is the awakening cortisol spike that raises your core body temperature, clears the adenosine from your brain, and makes you feel intensely alert and alive. But more importantly, this morning light exposure simultaneously sets a hardwired biological timer. It programs your pineal gland to release a massive, natural wave of melatonin exactly 14 to 16 hours later. If you wake up, look at your artificially lit smartphone, walk to your artificially lit bathroom, and drive to work in a tinted car, you skip these crucial 10 minutes of natural solar signaling. Because of this, your biological clock just keeps slipping. It never anchors. You try to go to sleep at night, but your brain genuinely believes it is still the middle of the day. You try to focus and execute complex tasks at noon, but your brain's neurochemistry thinks it is the middle of the night. You are existing in a state of perpetual, devastating physiological jet lag entirely within the walls of your own home. Here is the exact 10-minute protocol you must execute tomorrow morning to reset your biology, and exactly why 99% of people completely fail when they try it. Rule number 1, the glass factor. If you stand inside your house and look at the morning sun through a closed window or a glass door, you are completely wasting your time. Modern glass is heavily treated to filter out the exact frequencies of light that your brain desperately needs to initiate the biological reset. To achieve the same neurochemical effect through a window, you would literally need to stand there for 50 times longer. You must remove the barrier. You must step outside onto your balcony, walk into your backyard, or at the very least, physically open the window so there is absolutely nothing between your eyes and the atmosphere. Rule number 2, the low solar angle. You cannot do this at noon. You must execute this protocol within the first 30 to 60 minutes after the sun rises above the horizon. Why is the timing so critical? Because at this specific time of day, the sun is positioned at a low angle. The atmosphere perfectly filters the light, providing a highly specific therapeutic ratio of near-infrared light to blue light. This exact morning light ratio penetrates your skin and your eyes, physically healing your cellular mitochondria and reducing systemic inflammation, all without causing any of the oxidative damage associated with the harsh midday sun. Rule number 3, the persistence of boredom. You must be outside for 10 to 15 minutes. And here is the hardest part for the modern mind: no smartphone, no scrolling, no distractions. Just you, the ambient environment, and the light. You do not stare directly into the blinding sun to damage your retinas. You simply look toward the general direction of the light, letting the photons flood your peripheral vision. And if you wake up and the sky is completely overcast and grey, you do not skip the protocol. The solar photons are still there, pushing through the atmosphere. You just need to double the time. Stand outside for 20 to 30 minutes. The biological signal will still reach your master clock. Now, let us connect the ultimate dots. Let us talk about your dopamine, your ambition, and your ultimate success. Remember when we previously discussed the modern crisis of broken dopamine and digital addiction? The morning sun is the ultimate natural battery charger for your brain's dopamine receptors. Rigorous scientific studies have proven that early morning exposure to bright natural light physically increases the density of D2 dopamine receptors in your brain. What does that actually mean for your life? It means that just by standing in the sun for 10 minutes a day, your baseline of motivation is permanently elevated. Suddenly, the brutal, difficult tasks you have been avoiding become easier to start. Healthy, nutrient-dense food actually tastes better. The grueling physical pain of a hard workout feels less like torture and more like a rewarding challenge. You are not just getting a morning tan. You are biologically calibrating your brain's intrinsic goal-seeking machine. You are turning yourself into a high-performance predator. But there is a critical problem, and it is a trap that many biohackers fall into. Many people successfully harvest this incredible biological energy from the morning sun, but they have absolutely no idea what to do with the intense mental clarity they receive. They feel awake, they feel alert, but the second they are faced with severe real-world pressure, they still crumble. They panic. They have finally acquired the high-octane biological fuel, but they possess absolutely no mental steering wheel to control the vehicle. If you have ever felt that sudden, brilliant surge of clarity after a perfect morning, only to watch it completely evaporate the moment your boss yells at you, or the moment a financial crisis hits, it is because you have not yet mastered your psychological architecture of resilience. To truly transform this raw biological energy into unstoppable, real-world success, and to learn exactly how elite Navy SEALs harness this exact same clarity to maintain absolute, ice-cold calm while the world literally explodes around them, you must take the next step. The morning sunlight gives you the raw biological power, but the elite operator mindset gives you the lethal direction. You must discover the mental toughness pyramid, and you must learn the exact 2-minute tactical breathing technique that supports everything we have discussed today. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now. Enter the pyramid, master your mind, and learn how to never, ever accept defeat again. I will see you on the other side.